Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore the details surrounding NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of February, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.17. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may occur within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, we see a potential decrease of approximately 9.23% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from -16.17% to +4.20%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to an anticipated decline of about 7.72% over the coming year, with possible returns fluctuating between -27.18% and +53.42%. This could result in a price range between $3.07 and $6.46 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for NIO Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The NIO stock price increased by 2.68% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, rising from $4.10 to $4.21. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.20%, reaching a low of $4.05 and a high of $4.22. The price has risen in 5 out of the last 10 days, but it is still down by 0.24% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 28 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $162,300,000. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside higher prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.70, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price sits at 45.32%, or $3.49, below the 52-week high, and it is 93.72%, or $62.78, below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when it peaked at $66.99. NIO Inc. has experienced notable volatility recently, with a decline of up to 6% in its stock price following BYD Auto's announcement regarding the integration of self-driving technology into its vehicles. This increase in competition may impact NIO's market share and its pricing strategy within the premium segment of the electric vehicle market. From an analyst perspective, a recent downgrade from JP Morgan has changed NIO's rating from buy to hold, raising additional concerns among investors. This comes at a time when forecasts indicate a potential upside of 10%, which stands in stark contrast to the prevailing bearish sentiment. Such a discrepancy may lead to heightened caution among investors in the near term. In spite of these challenges, NIO has undertaken strategic initiatives, including financial backing for its Niobium project aimed at fostering innovation. However, the overall market trend has not been favorable, as NIO's stock was down approximately 0.93% in the day leading up to these announcements. The combined impact of these factors suggests that while NIO's long-term potential remains intact, the stock may encounter further downward pressure in the short term due to competition and cautious analyst sentiment. Investors will need to keep a close eye on these dynamics, as they are likely to significantly influence both short-term trading strategies and long-term investment outlooks for NIO. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On that same day, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, February 11, 2025, and so far it has risen 2.68%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. The NIO stock carries sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast. Furthermore, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at levels of $4.24 and $4.33. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal occurred 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal was indicated 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal was generated 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal was identified 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal was noted 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal was detected 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 53 days ago. If you wish to explore more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO is finding support from accumulated volume at $4.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock typically sees good trading volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock moved 170 cents, which is a change of 4.2% between its high and low. Throughout the past week, the average daily volatility for the stock has been 3.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of March, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are projected at -0.4. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.32. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.20. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.02, reflecting a decrease of 4.42%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk profile. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Currently, NIO presents several negative indicators, suggesting it could be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it may be more prudent to view it as a hold or accumulate option while we wait for further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of February, we anticipate that NIO will open slightly down and start trading at $4.16. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.